for it definitely downed me. I was really knocked out by a sweet Rupert Grace. I saw my patron there, but by now did not care. I was loyal, I loved her, I signed on. She was a star cruiser, star cruiser, star cruiser, star cruiser. She was a mean star cruiser, and she was cruising me. I flew with that cruiser for almost a year. My mind it had